Who is hungry? I am. Welcome to my 5-star restaurant. Do you think truckers only eat greasy burgers? No way! I have a full kitchen right here. Check out the fridge. It's small, but I can fit a week's worth of groceries inside. Microwave? Check. Air fryer? Double check. Where does the power come from? This magic box, the inverter. It turns the truck's battery power into 110 volts for my appliances. I can cook a steak while parked in the middle of nowhere. Just remember one rule: secure everything before driving. Or your flying soup will decorate the walls. Splat! Cooking is fun, but doing dishes without running water is tricky. And where do I wash? The shower is next. Subscribed.